remember when Mike first told me about Cherie. He said he met someone special. He was going to take her on a date. A gorgeous lady with a beautiful soul. I believe his words were, "She's a star." I told him that's awesome, and I was really happy for him, and that's when he told me there was just one problem. At the time, he was travelling through the USA with her brother Kim, and he didn't know about it yet.
I remember Cherie and Michael meeting Australia Day 2013. Cherie and I were doing the usual float around the pool listening to Triple J when our brother Kim decided to bring around a few friends and disturb our peace. One of those friends was Michael. Anyway, we weren't happy, but we weren't about to get out and let them have the whole pool. So we took one side and the guys took the other. I'm told it was love at first sight for Michael. A few months later, they started messaging on Facebook, and Michael was soon asking Kim for permission to date his sister. And then we waited. And we waited. And we waited. And finally they were engaged. A moment that couldn't have come soon enough for Cherie. Hence the wedding was planned a week after the ring was on, and here we are 6 months later.
It was a while after that I actually met Cherie. They flew into Melbourne for a quick whirlwind getaway. But there was two things that really stood out for me. The sense of pride that they both had for each other, which some of us can only dream about. And secondly, the fact that Mike is clearly punching above his weight. Mike's got a couple of key qualities that have really highlighted the type of man that he is. The first instinct is to listen, and which goes hand in hand with the other quality. Ensure every word you speak is genuine.
I call upon the persons here present to witness that I, Michael John Thompson, take thee, Cherie Elizabeth Dowling, be my lawful wedded wife. I love your gorgeous smile and the joy it brings. I love that being in each other's company brings happiness and brightness to our lives. I look forward to spending the rest of my life with you.
So I put up a good fight. I wouldn't rest neither day or night.
Lastly, to my wonderful husband, who's already reading this. I'm so glad that we're finally married. For a long time, I thought that this dream of marrying you would never come true. You are the kindest, most thoughtful person, and I'm so glad that we found each other. I love you.
We are all here today to celebrate you, to smile with you, to dance with you, to drink with you, and to make wonderful memories with you. I wish you all the happiness for the future and what it may bring you. To Cherie and Michael.
Changes